All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here and unboxing a watch from what I think, as far as brands go, as far as what we call micro brands nowadays, but when I got to know this brand, it was a boutique brand watch. And I don't know if that's really the same as a micro brand or not, but when I got back into watches back in around 2014, 2015, and I really started kind of looking into things, this brand was one that drew me in. And one of the reasons was because of the value for the money. And still to this day, this is the one Deep Blue I currently have in the collection. We're about ready to open the second one. No affiliation with this company whatsoever, but the watches are incredibly priced. $149 for this particular model at the website, and there's a bunch of other of the Divers 1002. This is a 40 millimeter case design. I mean, absolutely stunning. $149. Seiko movement, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel insert. Integrated. I mean, just an absolutely stunner of a watch for $149. Really, really hard to beat. So I was recently on Instagram, and an ad came up for Deep Blue, and this particular watch, or this line was advertised. Already sold out at the website. I mean, within the first, I think just a few days of advertising it. So that's super cool. So this came in the mail today, as well as my Christopher Ward Loop magazine. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this one for you. No review yet, because I'm just picking up this watch right now. In fact, I need to cut the tape here. And on the other side here. All right, I think we got that done very nicely. On the wrist today, we have the 16600, the Sea Dweller 4000. This is a 2008, 2007, 2008 model that I have here. Absolutely stunning. So, hopefully I don't have, I'm showing my address. Gonna have to blur that out. Damn it. Go ahead and get this one out of the package here. Man, it's in there tight. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it off camera for just a second so I can get that shipping label information out of there. And then I just have to blur out a little certain part. So, all right, here is the box that the watch comes in. And it's funny because I think all three Deep Blues that I've ever owned, which include this one with the Kanagawa wave dial. This is super sweet. I have a video of this one up if you haven't seen that one. But the first one I bought was a quartz 1000 in the same lineup as that, 44 millimeter, and it was a cool watch. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Super light on the boxing here, and I know why. This line, like I said, just came out, and the line description will be down below, or the line name will be down below in the description for the video. But just a quick opening, unboxing. This is like their night stealth day, night model or something like this. There's a few different straps available for this watch. I picked out this drab style strap. This is a carbon case, meaning it's like some kind of fancy plastic, I think. A carbon case on here, like a Luminox watch is basically what it's like. You have tritium tubes in this watch, and screw down crown, 200 meters of water resistance. Ooh, nice 60 click bezel is what that feels like there. Nice and crispy, and it also has that tritium pip up there at the 12 o'clock, but a full blackout watch. I had one of the Luminox, the blackout series at one point, and for some reason I had a problem with the spring bars on that watch, and I actually lost it off my wrist, which was kind of crazy, but really excited to try this piece out. I think it's freaking badass looking right off the bat. So we'll go through all the specs and everything like that in a full-length video here down the road. But I just wanted to get this unboxing out of the way. Hopefully they get some more of these back in stock here fairly soon. I'm going to peel this off for you guys. Oh, that's badass. It feels like I don't know if that's a carbon steel or carbon case back or what, but very cool looking timepiece. Full review coming soon, guys. If you like the unboxing video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. If you think Deep Blue watches are a great value for the money, let me know down below in the description, because I think they're really, really hard to beat at the price point. This was $189. And it has so much going for it. So, all right, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.